Do you say, he don't like it? Or, did you went there? Stop. These are some of the most common English mistakes. But don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use do, does, and did. And I'll give you simple examples that you can use in everyday English. So let's get started. First, let's understand do. We use do with I, you, we, and they. For example, do you speak English? Do you like coffee? Do they play cricket? Do we need more time? Notice the pattern. Do plus subject plus the first form of the verb. Do you work here? Not. Do you works here? The correct sentence is, do you work here? Now let's look at negative sentences. Do not becomes don't. For example, I don't know. You don't understand me. We don't have enough time. They don't like spicy food. Very simple. I, you, we, they use do or don't. Now let's move to does. We use does with he, she, and it. For example, does he speak English? Does she work here? Does it look good? Does your brother play cricket? But here is an extremely important rule. After does, always use the first form of the verb. Listen carefully. Incorrect. Does she likes coffee? Correct. Does she like coffee? Incorrect. Does he plays cricket? Correct. Does he play cricket? Why? Because the S has already moved to does. Does she like? Does he play? Not. Does he likes? Or, does he plays? For negative sentences, we use does not or doesn't. For example, he doesn't know. She doesn't like tea. It doesn't work. My brother doesn't play cricket. Remember, he, she, it use does or doesn't. Now comes the most important one. Did. Did is used for the past. And here's the good news. We use did with everyone. I, you, we, they, he, she, and it. For example, did you go there? Did he call you? Did she finish the work? Did they watch the movie? Did you meet him yesterday? Now listen carefully. This is one of the most important rules in today's lesson. After did, use the first form of the verb. Incorrect. Did you went there? Correct. Did you go there? Incorrect. Did she came yesterday? Correct. Did she come yesterday? Incorrect. Did he finish the work? Correct. Did he finish the work? Why? Because did already shows that the sentence is in the past. So don't make the main verb past again. Did plus V1. That's the golden rule. For negative sentences, use did not or didn't. For example, I didn't go there. He didn't call me. She didn't understand. We didn't watch the movie. They didn't come yesterday. And remember, don't say, she didn't went. Say, she didn't go. Now here's something very interesting. Sometimes do, does, and did are not helping verbs. They can also be the main verb. For example, I do my homework. She does her homework. They do their work. He did his homework yesterday. Here, do, does, and did mean performing an action. Now let's make everything super easy to remember. For the present, I, you, we, they, use, do, he, she, it, use, does. For the past, Everyone uses. Did. So remember. Do. Does. Did. Now let's practice with a short conversation. Listen carefully. Person A. Do you speak English? Person B. Yes, I do. Person A. Does your brother speak English? Person B. Yes, he does. Person A. Did he learn English at school? Person B. Yes, he did. Person A. Do you practice every day? Person B. Yes, I do. Person A. Does your friend practice with you? Person B. No, she doesn't. Person A. Did she practice yesterday? Person B. No, she didn't. Excellent. Now it's your turn. I'll give you 5 questions. Pause the video if you need more time. Question number 1. You like English? Do. Does. Or did. The answer is do. Do you like English? Question number 2. She work here? Do. Does. Or did. The answer is does. Does she work here? Question number 3. They come yesterday. Do. Does. Or did. The answer is did. Did they come yesterday? Question number 4. He not like coffee. Do. Does. Or did. The answer is does. He doesn't like coffee. And question number 5. Did you the movie? Watched. Watch. Or watches. The answer is watch. Did you watch the movie? So let's review everything one last time. Do. With I, you, we, and they. Does. With he, she, and it. Did. For the past with everyone. And the most important rule. After do, does, or did, use the first form of the verb. Do you go? Does he go? Did he go? Not. Does he goes? And not. Did he went? If you found this lesson useful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English. Keep practicing. And remember, don't just learn English. Use it every day. See you in the next lesson.